want you to look at this very carefully, that university that stands accused of either turning a blind eye or being complicit in the terror plot. Now, Faridabad's Al Falah University is under the scanner and there's intense scrutiny. It's linked not only to the recent suicide attack in Delhi by this Dr. Muhammad Umar, the white-collar terror network, and money laundering investigations have started. Investigators say the Al Falah University has a darker past, a history. Now, an alumnus of this university was Mirza Shahadab Beg. Who is Mirza Shahadab Beg? Now, that person you see on your television screen next to Dr. Muhammad Umar, that photograph is of a key plotter of the 2008 serial blasts in Delhi and in Ahmedabad. In fact, as an aside, I'll also tell you, this war against Indian Mujahideen, or that domestic terrorist units, intensified and in the right earnest started. Narendra Modi was then Chief Minister of Gujarat, and after the Ahmedabad bombing and the same failed Surat attacks, he tasked the Gujarat police, go wherever you have to go, arrest the perpetrators. I spoke to police officers who carried out those raids. They went all the way to Azamgarh. They came to Delhi. Subsequently, that Batla House encounter, intelligence inputs had come in from Gujarat. Much more on that story on another day. But Al Falah University for the moment. More than 200 doctors, staff, present and past, currently under investigation. We get you more in this report.
A trail of blood and death extends from the Red Fort blast all the way to the Al Falah University at Delhi's doorsteps. From the deadly 2008 Delhi serial blasts to the shocking Red Fort attack, Al Falah University in Faridabad is now emerging as a hub of terror. The university is under intense scrutiny, linked not only to the Red Fort blast and Jaish white-collar terror network and money laundering, but also to the 2008 serial blasts. Mirza Shahadab Beg, a notorious member of the Indian Mujahideen, also studied in the suspected terror hub. Beg, a resident of Azamgarh, completed his B.Tech in Electronics and Instrumentation at Al Falah University in 2007. He was likely a student when he first became involved in planning the 2008 serial blasts across India, including the Gorakhpur, Ahmedabad and Jaipur. He remains at large despite a massive manhunt. The university's chairman, Javed Ahmed Siddiqui, has been arrested in a PMLA case for alleged money laundering. He is in ED custody for 13 days. Investigators have raided 25 locations linked to the university, uncovering financial irregularities worth 415 crore, shell companies and evidence of fund diversion. And now a demolition notice for his illegal property in Mao has been issued. The links to terrorist activities have cast a dark shadow over Al Falah. Over 200 doctors and staff are under investigation. Hostels and off-campus rooms rented by doctors and students have been raided, and deleted mobile data is under scanner. More than 1,000 have already been questioned. As investigations continue, more questions are being raised about Al Falah's role in fostering a terror ecosystem. With Arvind Ojha and Shreya Chatterjee, Bureau Report, India Today.